After Mendel, now we were going to discuss about Darwin. Both scientists give inheritance law. Mendel gives independent segregation law, and Darwin gives whatever we acquired, we give to their progeny. They give acquired and inherited traits law. What he explained? He travels a lot. And someday he reached at one island. What is the name of this island? It is a Galapagos island. He studies their flora and fauna. He study a lot. He reached this island and he studied a lot their fauna, what kind of animals are there, what kind of atmosphere, what kind of plants are there. He found something new. That he saw some birds. He saw some birds and he noticed that all birds have different kind of beak size. So beak size, I'm returning here. So beak size is different. So their feeding style is also different. Their feeding style is different. Of course, their food is different. Why? Why their food is different? Because they does not want to do competition between them. This bird not interested in competing with this bird. This bird not interested in this bird. No, they don't want any kind of competition. Means they avoid competition. Due to avoiding of competition, they adapt different beak structure, different food preference. So this bird feed very small kind of seed, and this one bird feed on large size of seed. This bird feed on small size of seed, and this bird feed on large size of seed. This bird feed on tree insects, and this one feed on fruits. So according to their food preference, they adapt itself. This one bird adapt her beak size according to this seed size, so they can easily feed on them. This bird adapt their beak size according to this seed to feed them. This bird adapt their self to fly and reach top of the tree and feed insects of tree. Now, and this bird feed on fruits. Why they adapt a different condition? Because they want to avoid competition. So they adapt different food preference. So this bird is happy, this bird is happy, this bird is also happy, and both birds are happy. Then suddenly Darwin found what? That this bird, and this bird and this bird have common parent. Oh, three common parent. This bird have different beak size, this bird have different, this bird is also different, and this, but they have common one type of ancestor. It means ancestor adapt something and transfer some gene to this generation, some gene to this generation, some gene to this generation, some gene to this generation. Why ancestor adapt himself? Why? Avoiding competition. So he changed itself. Different food preference, different food habitat. I mean, some birds feed on ground seed, some birds feed on tree insects, some birds feed on fruits. So different food habitat. Food is different and their habitat is different. Different niche. What is niche? Where organism live. I mean, some birds live on the upper top of the tree. Means some birds live upper top of the tree. Some birds live near branches of the tree. Some birds live in bottom of the tree. Alright, guys. So according to their different niche, different food habitat, and avoiding capability of competition, they evolve their self. They evolve. Ancestor evolve, and this ancestor pass generation to generation, their characters. Okay guys, so this is a acquired and inheritance trait given by Darwin. So this is all about Darwin's law, how a character, one trait transfer, adapt by their progeny. If this bird have ability to feed on small kind of seed, and this female bird have ability to live in tree top, so their progeny will form which kind of ability? They feed on small seed and live in top of the tree, and this offspring mate with another features, another female with different characters, means this female feed on fruits and live in ground, so their progeny will form feed on small seed as well as large seed. They live top of the tree as well as bottom of the tree. So evolution, variation, adapt. How adapt? By sexual selection. By sexual selection. They both contribute their character to their progeny. They both contribute to characters to their progeny. So the acquired characters, they acquired, whatever they acquired, they transfer to their progeny. Whatever they acquired, transfer to their or progeny. So this is a Darwin's theorem. So here is Darwin is complete. Now in next lecture we will study speciation. If you like my channel, if you love my lecture, so please subscribe, share guys. This is introduction of some scientist. They contribute her knowledge that how origin of earth. We will complete in next video. Thank you guys. Thanks a lot for listening me. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Keep smiling.